Hi all, welcome to TND Styles. We will present new collection. We beautiful collection. 3 sets. This set purchase WhatsApp purchase pure Georgette set. This set top crepe fabric double shade top lavender blue color combination top bottom pure cotton bottom dupatta chiffon double shade dupatta color shade lavender blue shade shibori print set double shade top crepe fabric pure Georgette viscose Georgette set top crepe top back same pattern top 48-49 length top stretchable crepe fabric dupatta varuna chiffon double shade varuna dupatta aanu nammal sadharana crepe set cheyyumbol top bottom dupatta varuna crepe inde fabric thaneyana ee oru set inde dupatta varuna chiffon aanu nalla length width dupatta aanu idinte bottom varuna pure cotton varuna bottom aanu lavender aanu color varunathu price varuna 1250 with free shipping. Next is color shade set shibori print top crepe fabric top lemon yellow green shade bottle green lemon yellow shade double shade set bottom dupatta double shade bottom silk fabric next is color shade lemon yellow green shibori print double shade top top back same pattern work top 48-49 length top crepe fabric dupatta chiffon double shade dupatta bottom silk fabric price 1250 with free shipping. Next is shibori print set orange orange black color combination next is black orange color shade orange color shibori print beautiful set crepe bottom stitch set purchase dupatta beautiful dupatta chiffon bottom is standard fabric black color bottom price 1250 with free shipping. This set top crepe fabric bottom dupatta fabric set purchase WhatsApp through purchase YouTube video like share subscribe. Thank you.